Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Steam game. First, clearly define your game's core concept, genre, and target audience. This foundational step is crucial for guiding all subsequent decisions. Researching market trends and competitor games will help you identify unique opportunities and refine your vision. Develop a comprehensive game design document detailing every feature and mechanic. Finally, meticulously plan your budget, development timeline, and necessary team resources to ensure a smooth and organized production process. Once your plan is solid, it is time to build. Select a powerful game engine, such as Unity or Unreal Engine, to bring your vision to life. Focus on developing robust core gameplay mechanics and integrating all necessary art and sound assets. Regular playtesting is absolutely essential. Gather feedback from diverse players to iterate and refine your design. Finally, dedicate significant time to optimizing performance and meticulously fixing bugs, ensuring a polished and enjoyable experience for everyone. With your game nearing completion, focus on its Steam debut. Set up your Steamworks account and meticulously prepare your game for submission, adhering to all platform guidelines. Craft compelling store page assets, including high-quality screenshots and an engaging trailer, to capture player attention. Develop a robust marketing strategy well in advance to build significant community interest. Actively engage with potential players on social media platforms and through insightful developer blogs to foster excitement. The launch day is here. Carefully choose your game's release date and implement a thoughtful pricing strategy. Immediately after launch, diligently monitor player feedback and reviews across all channels. This input is invaluable for identifying areas for improvement. Plan for comprehensive post-launch updates, including bug fixes and exciting new content, to keep your community engaged. Continue your marketing efforts to sustain visibility, drive ongoing sales, and build a lasting legacy for your game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.